समस्त छात्र छात्री मानक स्वागत करुच्ची मोर यही यूट्यूब चैनल को आज मु निश्चित भाव में आलोचना करी लॉजिक रो सम MCQ टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन विथ आंसर। निश्चित भाव में वीडियो को एक्टिवली देखंतु प्रथम रु शेष पर्यंत एवं जदि आपण मो चैनल को नुआ करी आसीचंती नुआ नुआ वीडियो देखिबा पई आपण चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दियंतु एवं गोटे लाइक एवं आपण को संग साथी मानन को शेयर करंतु। किछि जदि बुझिबारे प्रॉब्लम रहउची आपण माने कमेंट देई कहि परिबे। लेट्स स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। By whom logic has been defined as the science of laws of thoughts? Option A Bradley, option B Arnold, option C Thomson, option D Aristotle. The correct answer will be Thomson. Thomson has been defined as the science of laws of thought. Question number 2. According to whom logic deals with only the formal laws of thought? Option A Bradley, B Hamilton, C Arnold, D Thomson. Answer will be Hamilton. According to Hamilton, logic deals with only the formal laws of thoughts. Question number 3. Logic is a normative science because it deals with thoughts, it deals with correct thoughts, it deals with arts, and option D none of the above. The answer will be it deals with correct thoughts. Logic is a normative science because it deals with correct thought. Question number 4. Mark the correct statement. A statement भितरु कोटा ठीक अच्छी करेक्ट अच्छी ताको हमें मार्क करिवार अच्छी। Option A logic is a science, option B logic is an arts, option C both A and B, that means logic is a science, both science and an arts, option C none of the above, option D none of the above. The correct answer will be option C both A and B. Logic is a science as well as an arts. Question number 5. Which one is correct? Logic is a physical science, logic is a theoretical science, logic is a normative science, logic is a positive science. The answer will be logic is a normative science. How logic is normative science? Logic science, there are two kind of science. One is positive science and other one is normative science. Positive science deals with fact and normative science deals with ideals, thoughts. So logic is a normative science because it deals with thoughts. Thank you.